Hi y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and this painting is the first one in the New Year's paint party that we had with the Pourage Posse and Christina and Allen Welch. The colors that I'm using here for this flip cup is black, white, Payne's gray, sky blue, and silver. I didn't actually have sky blue, so I had to go with a light blue. So there's no silicone in any of my paint. They are all mixed with Floetrol and just a touch of water. I did spray my cup with WD Silicone spray. So we're going to let it rest for just a second. Allow all the paint to release from the cup. And we're ready to let it go. Some beautiful mingling of the colors there. Gonna tilt it slow and easy. Getting some cells already. Love the look of this design. I can just get it down to this last corner. Here we go. Gonna let it rest there. Do a little bit of touch up on the sides. Got some great cells in this. I love this color choices. Christina and Allen chose the colors, and all of us that were painting with them used as close to or the same colors in each of our paintings. Gonna give it a little bit of heat, pop any bubbles, see if there's any more cells that wants to come through. And I'm going to leave you with a dried look at the painting. If you haven't subscribed, I'd like to invite you to do so. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. And there's more to come from this painting New Year's Eve party. So if you click the notifications bell, you'll be notified when I upload the other videos. Thank you for watching. Here's the dried version.